Friends, hello everyone. It's a pleasure to welcome you to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and also tell you how you can update CapCut application on your iPhone very easily. Please friends, subscribe to the channel. Also don't forget to write a comment and put likes under this video. And let's get down to our topic. And first of all, friends, in order to update this app, you'll need to open the App Store or the App Store on your iPhone. This app, it's factory default, and you can easily find it on absolutely any iPhone. Once you open the App Store, go to the search box, and here you have to type the word CapCut into the search box and search. Unfortunately, I don't have this app in my country. It doesn't work, so I'll show you how to update on another app. So when you find the CapCut app, click on it to open it. And here where I have the word open, you'll have the word update. You'll need to click on the word update and wait for the update process to complete. It will take about a minute or two in terms of time. It may take a little longer if you have a lot of information in this proposal or if you have an unstable internet connection. And after the update process is over, you can, by the way, watch the update process, because here you will write the time, how much time is left until the end of the update. Once the process is over, you can easily click Open from the App Store itself, or you can open the app from your desktop screen. Friends, this is the quick and easy way to update the CapCut app on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please friends, write your comments, give us likes, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.